First we learn 3-digit addition. 4, 9, 13, 1 carry. 3, 7, 10 and 1 carry add 11 and again 1 carry. 5 plus 6, 11 and 1 carry add 12. Now we are going again learn to 3-digit addition. 2 plus 9, 11 and 1 carry. 3 plus 2, 5 and 1 carry add 6. 5 plus 4, 9. It is easy. Now we are going to 4-digit addition. 15, 1 carry. 15 and 1 carry add 16 and again 1 carry. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 3, 13 and 1 carry add 14 and 1 carry. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 13. Now we are again going to 4-digit addition. 13, 1 carry. 1 carry, add all these digit. Now again 1 carry. 9 and 1 carry 10 and again 1 carry. 10 and 1 carry 11 and 1 carry. It is easy to learn addition. Total digit addition 15.